Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your Instacart app because for some reason it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is on your mobile device, if you're using an iPhone, go into the App Store. Next, on the bottom hand corner, go ahead and click on the search bar, and then you're going to type in Instacart. Now, once you search for Instacart, you'll see here that I'm allowed to open it. That's simply because I already have the app installed and it's already up to date. Now, in your case, the word it might say is update. So at which point you could actually just go ahead and update it from here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.